Hello lovelies, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys have not been to my channel, well, welcome anyways. Let's talk about a new bag I want to add to my possession. So the bag that we're going to be talking about today will be ta-da! This Valentino GAVARANI. I think that's how you pronounce his name because it's an Italian brand and I may not pronounce it correctly. I got this bag at Saks Avenue because I've been noticing this bag for a while now, but I've never really decided to get it because I guess I'm older now, so my choices and when I buy a bag, I don't want to just buy something and then put it in the back of my closet and not wear it anymore.
So I've been watching this bag for a while now, and I realized that I think it could be transitioning into what you call a classic for Valentino, because I think Valentino is similar to brands like Fendi or Gucci maybe, or even YSL. Even though it's more of a luxury brand, I feel like it's fashion luxury, you know what I mean? Like they create something, but then it just for a couple years and then they revamp it, make something new so that we can buy more. However, brands where they have classics like Christian Dior, where they have like the Lady Dior, Chanel, they have of course the Chanel classic. I think maybe the boy is gonna become a classic now because it's been at least maybe 10 years already. But we don't know. It may go out of style. And then the 2.55 from Chanel, and of course, you know, the MS, they usually make like the same design for years and years. With the Valentino, I didn't really want to get it in the beginning because I wasn't sure how long the style gonna last. Because I'm tired of having like handbags, you know, sitting in the back of my closet. I didn't care so much when I was young, but the older I get, my style changes, and I kind of going for something that can be worn for a longer period of time, you know, like I'm gonna be married to the bag, so I just wanted to use it so that it's worth my dollar, you know.
I finally decided to get this one in this color. Even though this is not a neutral color, it tends to be towards the brighter side. I think blue can fit with my style outfit, for example black, beige, brown, white, or even like a nude color. I have a few blue color myself, but this is the boldest of the blue so far. Style that's known for Valentino GAVARANI is the studs. So for all these, most of these bags you would see, when you would recognize right away with the studs. And for this bag, what I like is the handle. It's very different, resemble anything I have in my closet before, so I like that. And it has a twist turn lock like that. You know, I've never really buy bags where they put like tape on it before. I don't know what's going on. It has a twist turn lock, but even the twist turn itself looks a little bit edgy. So to me, I think this piece is perfect for me. It has like a hint of modern and edgy to it. So I think I can pull it together with, you know, more of a casual style, or even like a dressy but a little bit more edgy kind of style. I think even if I wanted to make it, dress it formally, I can still wear it. I think if I have a black one, it would go blend perfectly with my for something if I want to wear formal. But I think blue would be fun. I think if I wear something black, it would just pop up. It comes with a long chain like this, and is it removable? I'm not sure because I haven't really used this. I don't think the chain is removable, if you can see it closely. Like that, right? And then the back is fully studded, and then the bottom of it is studded as well. If you look closely, the brand will be right here. Let's discuss some of the features regarding this bag. For the length, it's about 20 centimeters across, or 8 inches, and then the height is roughly 5 inches or 13 centimeters. And let's see, so this is made of lambskin, and the signature for the look for Valentino is the studded rocks, and the hardware is silver. And then some of the interesting thing I noticed about the studs is, depending on the angle, I guess, sometimes it reflects like black, and sometimes it's that you can see like some of like a darker color here and then like a brighter color here. So I think that brings in like a uniqueness or like an interest point to it. So this style has different sizes. So I've noticed that they have a micro size where it's about 3 diamond shape across, and then they have the mini size and then the small. So the small is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 diamond across, and then they have the medium and also the large. Say, you know, because like Chanel or LV or Hermes, they never go on sale, but bags like Gucci or Fendi and others, it does go on sale, and then it goes into like a discount store sometimes. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, in terms of luxuriness, maybe it's kind of like a luxury brand, but not like a high-end luxury brand, because it does go on sale. But the style is unique and is a good entry bag where it's not too low or too high. So that's one of the reasons I think it's a good bag to choose. Another reason I choose it is because, you know, the style is so unique. It is similar to the Chanel because it has the quilted diamond pattern. That's the only thing that I think that's kind of reminds me of, but otherwise it looks really different from the Chanel, from the handle to the strap, and then to the rock studs, and then also to the twist turn. And I think it's so unique and so different. It's one of like a collector's piece if you like to collect like different kind of bags, and I think it looks really unique if you wear it to go out. One of the things that I noticed about Valentino brand is that it's kind of toned down and low-key. I wouldn't say the design itself, because if you look at this bag, it's like, whoa, notice me, I'm bling bling. But the thing is, he doesn't put his brand on his bag, so I think that's pretty low-key, pretty discreet. I kind of like that. Sometimes, depending, you know, so sometimes I don't want the brand to be too loud. So if you guys are something like that, similar to me, then you would probably like something low-key as well. But currently, I think few of his newer designs has the V, so those pieces are a little bit louder because, you know, you can see his logo really big. But so far his other designs are pretty low-key. His name is not like anywhere hugely displayed, so I think that's really nice. Sometimes we can wear it without being too flashy, that's good, but then, you know, the uniqueness of it speaks for itself. So those are some of the key things that I like about this bags, that, you know, the design and the quality of it. By the way, this bag is made of lambskin, so not too much of the display for the brand itself. There's two downfalls that I can see with this bag. First of all, it's made of lambskin, so that you can tell that it's already very fragile. And the second thing is that it has all these metal studs as well as this metal chain on it. So if you, for example, wear it for over a long period of time, I think the weight of it would somehow morph or deform the bag, like the like a couple of the Christian Dior, Lady Dior that I have, because the handle and everything is so heavy, and the charms, it pushes down on the bag, so it kind of dented a little bit. So those are the two things. And then the last thing is that because this is kind of like a luxury fashion brand for me, I don't know if it's gonna, the design will last for a long time, that I would like it to, because like I said, you know, I want a long relationship with my bags, not just like a short-term relationship where I see it one day and next day it's gone. So I was just hoping that it can last for a couple of times. And then, you know how as the older you get, or if you grow older, your taste in men or bags will change. So I hope that I don't change my taste in this bag. Any of you guys have this bag, just let me know if you guys are still enjoying it, or currently it's going towards the back of your closet. So that's it for today. I hope this little chit chat will be enjoyable for you guys, and maybe it helps. So anyways, toodaloo, see you guys later, bye.